Hey good people, so this is our very first elevated raised garden bed. We decided to do each side individually and put it together at the end. So for the sides he used 1x4s at 71 inches, 6 of those being cut, 3 for each side. And then for the shorter side, also 1x4s, but those are at 35.5 inches and 3 for each side. The legs were made from 4x4s at 39.5 inches. So we made those and moved them out the way and started working on the bottom of the garden bed. Using 1x4s for those as well, they were cut to 28.5 inches and we ended up using 12. Like I said, we kind of winged it, so we still listed the materials and the measurements in the description box, but you can definitely tweak it to whatever size you want it to be. So now we want to give the side of the board some support, because once we put soil in and it gets wet, we don't want the side of the board to bow from all of the weight. So he's simply making 2 cuts for those for support. So after nailing in those for support, he's gonna go in and drill some screws all the way around to secure everything together. You always have one that just won't do right. So now he's going to start working on the top of the garden bed, just to give it more of a finished, like, casing look. And he pretty much just used his saw at a 45-degree angle to make those miter cuts. We do not have a saw that extends forward, so you will see him flipping the pieces over just to cut the other side, because you do what you got to do. other side just to see if it fits, and it does perfectly. So now he can take that board, make a cut from that pattern, and then he'll be done. The dance you make when you know you are almost done. Okay, we get it. So the next day we went and picked up some soil. We used topsoil, garden soil, and manure. We hope to start our own compost pile for our next garden beds. This is one of hopefully 3. This one will have collards, but we want to have one with maybe peppers and onions and sweet potatoes. So that's definitely something we're looking forward to doing. Before we filled the bed up, we did line it with fabric, and after that we started to plant our collards. We did use a water-soluble fertilizer. I have used this with previous plants and harvested them, and I have not had any issues, so hopefully this will go well. I hope to do another video maybe a month or 2 months just to see how the greens are doing. Like I said, this is our very first time doing this type of project, so I'm just hoping it turns out well, and I really appreciate you for watching. Thank you. Be blessed.